Hello, my name is Kumar Mitra for CC 578, section 901, homework 2. Looking at the network.py file first to go through some modifications as per the instructions. First thing to look at was modifying the evaluate function to include 5 metrics here, namely the card count, accuracy, MSE, cross entropy, and log likelihood in a list. So let's quickly look at that. Going to the evaluate function here, right over here, adding the MSE, cross entropy, log likelihood, and correct count and accuracy right here, and returning them and uninstall. Okay, moving on to the next is the SGD function and calling the evaluate for training data. So that's exactly what I have implemented over here in the SGD function itself. At the results list, and I go through over here. If it's test data, we look through each of the training over here for each of the metrics, and then we do the same for the test results, and then we append it to the results list for each, and printing it out finally, and of course returning the results. Next is going through the one more thing to mention here is the early stopping. Have to, if it's equal to 1 here, that's the break, same idea. Moving on, we have to edit the backprop function so that the local variable activity is initially allocated with the structure. Okay, so we're looking at here, and you'll see that over here I've modified the code to for the activations, and I'm finally printing the activations, and that completes the first part of network.py. Second is the application itself, code, the application code. So first things first, looking at the backprop here, the backprop propagation, we have to keep the print activations. So we have it over here, and then we have to run it to print out the activations right there. Okay, moving on to next, commenting it out. So we want to restart the kernel per the instructions. So I'm doing so. So let's go ahead and restart kernel, and I'm going to clear out all the output. Okay, so now we look at the running without it as well. Okay, this is epoch 0 and the train and the test with all the metrics. Printing out while we're implementation. Okay, so we're running this code chunk to return the results 1 and 2, printing them. Next is to check for early stopping by running the following code provided, the function, and then of course we have the 0.6 hyperparameter and 0.8, so we're going to run for each. One thing to note here real quick is I'm running with the original data provided. Later on I do run with the 4.27.3 network, but first I test out with the smaller one. So you'll see over here I have all the results. Over here I'll just carefully run through them. And over here you'll see right here everything's running as you would expect. Okay, and I know I'm running out of time here. I'm trying my best, it's running. And over here I tried my best to implement for the extra credit, but it didn't work. Thank you.